Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and I'm working on a 2002 Honda Civic, and what I'm doing is changing the engine cooling temperature sensor, and it's located right here. This is the cooling temperature sensor right here. This car has a P0116 and it's engine cooling temperature circle range performance. That's the code that it has, and it's a very easy change. And what you're going to do first is you're going to take this wire harness in the top. The reason why you're going to remove this wire harness is because you want to make it easier for yourself to remove the sensor. And all you do is just press it right in. You press it and you push it out. You press this right here and you push it out. And you're going to do the same thing with the cooling temperature sensor. This one right here, the wire harness, you're going to press it in. You press this in and you lift it up. You don't want to lift it up from the wire. You want to lift it up from here. Once you do that, you're going to need a 17mm deep socket, a little long extension, a 3/8 drive, ratchet, and the reason why you need a long extension, a long socket is because if you use a short one, you're going to break this right here. So all you're going to do is just put your socket right in there and start loosening it. Once it gets loose, make sure that your car is cold when you do this, that it's not hot, because if not, you're going to burn yourself. And once you loosen it up, all you're going to do is just take it right out, and there goes right here. You can see this thing seen better days. This car has over 200,000 miles on it. So we're going to put the new one. You want to match it up, make sure they match. Got the this little plastic here. This is to make sure the washer that it doesn't come out the coolant. And when you plug this in, right, it has two little metal pieces in there. Those two metal pieces has to go right in here. You don't want to put it in the side. If not, it's going to bend it. So what you do is you take it, you put it by hand first, screw it by hand, make sure it goes straight in, turn it, and what you want to do is just take your socket, put it in, and you don't want to go crazy tying this up. You just go and a little bit. Look down, make sure everything is down. And you're going to take the wire harness, you're going to push it right in. And you're going to take the top one, right there, push it right in, and that's it. Once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.